This is the R&D department of TPI-Polytechnics. A place where all of our products are developed, designed and tested. From a small pulley unit to a complete automated ventilation chimney. Everything starts here. It's an important part of our company, manned by 2 dedicated colleagues. Meet Berry Eskes, 47 years old with over 20 years of experience in mechanical engineering.
What I really like about working at TPI is that I can use all of my experience in developing new and innovating products.
And Roy de Witt, a 26 years old specialist in industrial design and aerodynamics.
TPI challenges me every day to use all of my knowledge I've gathered during my studies.
Having its own R&D department is one of the key success factors of TPI. And every tool that helps us is used in order to get the best results. For example, 3D drawing software from SolidWorks, which we use to design new products. And flow simulation software to test our designs for behavior under different climate conditions. This 3D printer helps us with rapid prototyping, so we can physically test accessories and build scale models. In short, everything this department does is making sure all of our new products are 100% tested and approved before they find their way into production. So we're happy to see that Berry and Roy love what they do, day after day, in order to provide you with the best products available. That's what the R&D department of TPI is all about.